this. Everything's out of control.
What's wrong?
What's wrong? I'll tell you what's wrong. I'm trying to vote my conscience, and I can't even hear it anymore. I have only two choices for city council, a professional liar and my brother the joke. Neither of them should even be running for office. There is no choice. My only choice is not to vote at all. Democracy is horrible, absolutely horrible.
You're so right. Democracy is the worst form of government there is, except for all of the others.
Oh.
And that is exactly why you have to vote.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes! If you don't vote, you can't complain.
Complaining is all I have left. Oh, God. I hope I did the right thing.